In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and change your password using Yahoo in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to enhance your online security by updating your password, this guide is perfect for you. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Yahoo. You can do this by typing in yahoo.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the Yahoo homepage loads, you'll see a variety of options like Mail, Weather, Search, Politics, News, Finance, and much more. This is your main dashboard for accessing Yahoo's numerous services, and it's where you'll begin this simple process. Now that you're on the Yahoo homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should notice a small icon or possibly just the letter A. Go ahead and click on this. It's located in a section where you would typically find account or profile options. Engaging with this option will open up a menu or possibly a drop-down list where you'll be able to manage your various account settings. From the menu that's been opened, you should see an option labeled Manage Your Account. Clicking this will take you into a more detailed overview of your Yahoo account settings. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to fine-tune their account preferences or increase their security measures, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available here. Next, for those looking to change their password, you'll want to find and select Change Password. This option will guide you into the specific function dedicated to updating your account's security credentials. Clicking on this will usually redirect you to a safer page that's focused on security, ensuring that the process of changing your password is secure and confidential. Make sure the connection is secure, typically represented by a padlock icon in the address bar, before proceeding. Finally, you'll follow the prompts to input your existing password to verify your identity, and then you'll be able to enter a new password. Remember, your new password should be strong and unique, mixing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to maximize security. Avoid using easily guessed words or sequences. Once you've confirmed your new password, submit the changes and you're all set. That's all there is to it. Following these straightforward steps not only helps maintain the security of your Yahoo account, but also provides peace of mind knowing that your personal information is better protected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below.